Hi, I'm Mars, and today I want to talk about the robot Atlas. Atlas was designed by Boston Dynamics and had two different iterations. The first iteration was called the Hydraulic Atlas in 2013, and the second one was called the Electric Atlas in 2024. The robot is scheduled to be deployed at Hyundai's HMGMA plant in 2028, so we have a couple years before it's actually deployed in factories. Here's a clip of Atlas sorting some parts.
Atlas is the realization of 3 decades pushing and breaking boundaries. The best we've ever built, and the bridge between human ingenuity and what comes next.
You can see Atlas can already assemble parts. Atlas cannot, however, assemble entire vehicles and put them together. The company still thinks the robot has a long way to go, otherwise they would have deployed it into factories already. So what do you think? What tasks do you think Atlas should be able to do and perform by 2028? Leave a comment below and let me know. Bye!